Oh, hella beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. In today's video, we're discussing the new Invictus Aqua. This is the new 2018 formulation for the discontinued 2016. So first things first, no, you guys are not having deja vu. This one is a full review. Last time we did the unboxing, we did the first impressions, but as you guys know from my weekly fragrance rotation videos and just me being me, I have been able to dig in deep on this fragrance and wear it. So now I have the official full review. Alright guys, so here is your official presentation for Invictus Aqua 2018. I mean, we already crushed the box in the unboxing. So as with each of the previous Invictus presentation, this one comes in the trophy-like shaped bottle. Again, one of the key differences here is the 2018 formulation comes in the clear bottle versus that frosted glass. This time you have this clear glass with the blue tint on the bottom, which gives off the perception that this one has a completely blue juice. And for those of you who care about the box, again, I already did the unboxing. I'll link that one below so you can see the official presentation. I mean, why it lasted at least. Now, the re-release of Invictus Aqua was Paco Rabanne's re-entry into the world of aquatics, as it's something they seem to stray away from for quite some time. And if you guys were tuning into the weekly fragrance rotation videos, then you know I've worn this one quite a few times and I've gotten some good results. That stated, I feel some of my initial thoughts on this fragrance have been confirmed. In my unboxing video, I did a quick comparison between the original and this one, and I thought that the original was a little bit better, but again, I found the new formulation to be a bit more refined and not as loud as the original, but that doesn't mean better. When compared, I prefer the original over the new formulation, but that doesn't mean that you have to go out on this big Easter egg hunt for Invictus Aqua. No, all this means is that if you can come across it, then it's fine, or if you already have it, then that's fine as well. I don't think this is something that you need to go and search for. If you don't have it, don't spend the extra coin, because this one will work. The other one's better, but this one will work. I personally feel this was a well-timed release, and I'm sure they did this one on purpose, because I can see this one making a few spring and summer lists. I believe Invictus Aqua is primed to do well, as I believe this one is mass appealing. This one opens up with grapefruit and is immediately followed up with that marine note, which gives it that aquatic or aqua-like vibe. And once it dries down, you still get those aquatic notes with this woody base. I personally believe the performance was better on the original one, but this one isn't bad. I do believe the new formulation is a bit smoother than the original, especially in terms of the opening, but this one still projects well. I have gotten a few compliments in my limited time having this fragrance, which is a great sign of things to come. Look, I'm sure this one will get criticized for not being as good or better than the original, but in this case, I'm okay with it, and here's why. Unlike Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum, the original one is no longer available. And if you can find it, it's going to be at an inflated price range, much higher than the one that's on the market today. And I do believe the original Invictus Aqua was better. Again, I've said this so many times in this review, especially with that yuzu note, but I do not believe the average Joe or Jane walking around the mall is going to be able to know that, hey, he's not wearing the 2018, he's wearing the 2016, and he's so much better. No, it doesn't work that way. And here's the other side of it. The 2016 version wasn't around long enough for anybody to really notice a difference. I mean, the vast majority of people out there are not familiar with Invictus Aqua 2016. So wearing Invictus Aqua 2018 is going to be fine. They're not going to say, you know what, 2016 was so much better than 2018. No, they're not going to do that. That's only going to come from the people who are involved in the fragrance community and the ones who really have it. Not everybody has it, so they won't know any damn way. So wear this one, save yourself some coin. You know, if you want to go hunt and search for the 2016 formulation, then feel free. But my personal suggestion is to save a coin, get the 2018, don't worry about the 2016. If you come across it for a good price, then grab it, but otherwise you should be good to go with the 2018. The new formulation comes in two different sizes. You have the 1.7 and the 3.4, which should go for $68 and $88 respectively. Although it seemed to take forever, at least for me, knowing that it was coming out and searching high and low for it, this one should be readily available in all major department stores, so you should not have an issue going out there and at least getting your nose on it if you haven't already done so. If you guys seen the unboxing, then you know I purchased mine at Macy's. I purchased mine online, but it is available in stores. It's available in Sephora. It's available on jcpenney.com. And who shops at JCPenney these days? I have not seen JCPenney that was worth anything in quite some time. I mean, you guys comment below and let me know if just the JCPenney's near me, but actually I don't have a JCPenney's near me anymore. There was one down in Miami. It wasn't worth going in there, so let me know. To me, this was gonna be good for casual wear, outdoor wear, beach wear, any activities that you have outdoors where it's gonna be hot, you're gonna have some physical activities. This one's gonna be a good one to grab. I gave the original an 8 out of 10, and this one is going to fall slightly under the original, and I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. Those are my thoughts, those are my takes, those are my experiences with the 2018 edition of Paco Rabanne's Invictus Aqua. Comment below and let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Did you pick it up yet? Have you smelled it? Have you put your nose on the thing? I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend that we are back again, and hit the goddamn bell.